If your estimations continue to be off for internal labor, I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. So firstly, we have our spreadsheet here for capital internal labor. And capital internal labor very quickly are those resources that help build the actual product or are part of the project. So what you see here is that I have on my left here all of the resources that are going to be working on this project. I have here the hourly rate. And the reason why you're seeing different hourly rates is because this is an international project involving various resources from overseas. So you're going to have different hourly rates converted to US dollars. So this situation can also happen domestically. So depending on the organization that you work at, your hourly rates are going to be in this fashion here. So we're going to pretend that we're in the month of January and we need to estimate the hours that are going to be worked in January for all of these resources. So for the first step here for the project manager, they will need to meet with all of the resource managers to understand what their availability is for this month of January, or if the resource managers are not available, normally the functional managers act as resource managers to get the hourly information for these resources. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put in some sample data so we can take a look at this now. Okay, so what I've done here is that based on conversations with the resource managers or the functional managers, the hourly rates were determined. So each one of the managers that these people report to, they were able to confirm how many hours that particular resource was available for January. So you go down this process listing the number of hours available that they'll have to work on for the project. And then when you multiply that by the hourly rate, you're going to get the estimation for that particular month for this resource. And then that's going to tally all the way down to a grand total for that month. So now, once you speak to all of the resource managers, you're realizing that for the month of January, you're going to need to estimate and budget $61,000 so that you can cover all of the expenses for all of these resources here. And that's just for the month of January. So this process repeats for all of the months until you have whatever months it takes for the project to get completed. You can estimate going out and have estimations completed for internal labor for the entire project.